session at the hotel, went out for a swim. So now, let's check out the Pakuwon Mall, which is a direct connection from our 4 Points hotel. Let's go! I'm starting to get a little bit hungry, so let's go eat at a ramen restaurant here in Little Tokyo within Pakuwon City Mall. Let's go! The mall is about to close, so we weren't able to explore much, but we'll be able to explore again tomorrow. So let's head back to the hotel. We're back here at the hotel, and Surabaya is a very large city. As you can see from this time lapse, there's still countless cars going in and out. And this was shot at nearly midnight. You can almost say that Surabaya never sleeps. Hello everyone and welcome back. It's the next day now since we left from the mall yesterday. It's 7:26 a.m. right now. I woke up at around 6:30 and look at the morning view of Surabaya. This hotel is really nice because you can see all the views of all the buildings and all the cars. Now, we're going to go for a swim once again because the mall opens at 10 a.m. So let's go swimming. See you at the pool. I've already finished swimming and we've walked from our hotel into this mall. So let's explore more about what this mall has. This is a miniature model of one of the other malls in Surabaya. Take a look at it. Pakuwon Mall. We've explored what it has, but now it's time to go back to Riken. But the adventure's not over. Tomorrow, we're going to be going to Jambulu in Batu. Till then,